So you want to change your Android phone language to Japanese, but when you go to the default settings menu, you will see that there is actually no Japanese language in there. So they've got Korean, they've got Chinese 2 times, but for some reason they couldn't include Japanese in there. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Android system language to Japanese, even though it doesn't appear in the system settings, and you do not need to have your phone rooted for this to work. You just need a computer and a cable to connect the phone to it. The first step would be to install this thing that is called ADB. ADB stands for Android Debug Bridge, and this is the program that will allow us to communicate to the phone via the computer. I'm going to leave this link in the description. You have to download this file. It's very small. In order to install it, you need to decompress the file. Then you will create a folder and name it Android. Then you're going to create a second folder and name it SDK. You're going to take the platform tools folder and put it into SDK, and then put the whole thing into the Android folder. Okay. Now you're going to copy this file and you're going to go to the application data folder. So you write %sign app data %sign. You're going to click on the top part where it says app data, and then you're going to go to local, and here you're going to paste the Android folder. After you do this, you're going to go inside that folder all the way till the end, and you're going to copy this path. Now we need to add this path to the environment variables, so that way you can access it from the command prompt. So we're going to go to the search bar and we are going to write env as in environment. Then we click there in the first thing that pops up, and we're going to go here to the lower part where it says environment variables. You are going to look for path in the lower section and you're going to double click this line. We have to make a new entry. We're going to hit the button at the top and just paste the path in there. We hit OK. And now to see if it works, just open up a command prompt and write ADB, then hit enter. If you see something like this, that means it worked. Now we're going to go to our Android device. And the first thing here would be to activate the developer options. This may be a bit different for you than my example, but this is something that you can Google really easy if you need to. So for me, I just need to go to the settings app, then scroll down to about phone, and then go all the way down to build number, and then start tapping it many times until this message pops up. So now it's asking me to input my passcode, and it's telling me that I've activated the developer settings. Where are these settings? In my case, I will go to System, then go to Advanced, and then go to Developer Options. But as I said, this could be a little different for you, so make sure you get that right. Okay, so inside the Developer Options, you need to scroll down until you see USB debugging, and you need to activate this option. Alright, so now it's time to go to the Google Play Store, and you're going to look for this app that is called More Locale 2. Go ahead and install it. As you can see in here, there are so many languages, so this doesn't just work for Japanese. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and look for Japanese. Then this message is going to pop up, and I'm going to hit use PM command. Now it's time to connect the Android phone to the computer, and you should change the USB mode to file transfer on your Android phone. Then a message should pop up asking you to allow USB debugging, and then you should hit allow. If for some reason your computer cannot see your phone once you connected it, you can try this fix. It sure has helped me many times. So you would go to the Windows folder, then INF, and then you need to look for this file that is called wpdmtp.inf. And now you right click that file and hit install. is going to prompt you to allow this file to make changes. Hit OK, and then after that your computer should finally see your phone. Let's continue. So while your phone is still connected, you need to open up a command prompt window in administrator mode, and you need to write this command right here. I know it's a bit long. I'm going to leave it in the description so you can just copy and paste it. Okay, so you just need to hit enter, and after that the pop-up in your phone should clear, and you would see at the bottom that it says permission is granted. Now just go ahead one more time, select Japanese, and you will see that everything starts to change to Japanese. So as you start going through the apps on your phone, you'll see that it is not 100% in Japanese, but many of the apps are going to detect this change that we've just made, and they are going to start showing up in Japanese. Also, many apps that you install will have a language selection inside, and after doing this, they will become available in Japanese as well. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to leave your feedback in the comments. I really want to know if this worked for you or not. See you next time.